Okay, 2010 Chevy Traverse. Shuddered and stuttered, didn't want to move, didn't want to crank. Whenever we put gas in it, couldn't figure out why. Finally figured it out. Take your oil cap off, take this cover off, it just pops, pulls up. The purge valve, it shouldn't have suction if the car is running. I got this piece of paper to show you how the paper stuck to it. Has suction. So that means the purge valve is bad. It only happened when we filled up. Act like it didn't want to start, didn't want to go and all of that. So it's only one bolt here on the back side of the purge valve. Take that one bolt off, slides out. Unplug everything. Has a tab on it right here. Push the green tab. Disconnects from here. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, more videos to come.